Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a clean object and view. Open a single vector shape, expand any strokes, and remove stray points so the mesh behaves predictably. Once done, lock unrelated layers and isolate the shape. This reduces accidental edits. Make sure your document is in RGB or CMYK depending on output, and zoom to 100% to judge color transitions. Now choose the Mesh tool and click to add the first grid point where you want initial color control. Proceed to refine. Next, you build and refine the mesh grid to shape color transitions. Click with the Mesh tool to add nodes, creating rows and columns where tones will shift. Place them near key highlights and shadows. Once inserted, use the Direct Selection tool to nudge nodes and manipulate handles so gradients follow form. Sample colors with the eyedropper and apply to individual mesh points, evaluating changes at 100%. Make iterative adjustments, adding or removing nodes as needed until the form reads naturally. To finish, refine and prepare the mesh for output. Remove or merge unnecessary nodes to simplify the mesh and improve performance, and smooth any abrupt transitions by tweaking nearby handles. When ready for external use, expand appearance or rasterize at target resolution. Export in proper color mode for print or web. If you notice banding or odd seams, add a few extra mesh points near problem areas or apply a tiny noise layer after rasterizing. Save incremental versions so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.